Dizzle. What up, y'all? How y'all doing? Don't do it to him, Thizzle. What's up, everybody? This your boy Shaku, and yes, we at Fortune Town Mall, one of the biggest tech malls in Bangkok. I am with my girl Frankie. So she's going to show us all the places you need to know so you can get everything you need to make dope content. So let's go.
So is there anything you're looking for today? You looking to buy anything today?
So I'm looking just to see what the prices of, like, you know, mics or like a GoPro or anything like that, just to see, you know, if they're more affordable, especially if it's more affordable than like the United States or anything like that. Mm-hmm. So I just want to see what the prices are, because I'm thinking about getting one. I've been recording on my phone for the most part, and I'm kind of tired of it. So trying to, you know, upgrade, you know, trying to help level up. Yeah, I'm trying to level up for my content creators and level up for my audience. So we got to see what the prices is, and hopefully it's a good price. I might, you know, spend a little money, you know, spend a little bread. Yeah. But yeah, let's just, you know, check something out and we'll see. The malls here is just so huge. Like, it says it has 10 floors. Like, I guess 5 through 9 is actually parking, so I guess it don't really count.
Yeah.
But 10 floors is crazy. But every mall is huge.
Okay, so right now we're on the second floor. So this is the floor where you can find some camera gear, some lighting stuff. So we'll check out some of the things here. In the Fortune Town, they also have the service centers for all the like brand named laptop, computer brands. So if you want to get your laptop fixed, you can come to the official service centers. They got 7-Eleven. This is the Ceremonic store. So if you want to buy like mics, good quality mics for your videos.
I guess these mics are 8750 baht.
So they'll attach to your phone or your camera, and you can have like wireless audio, really good quality. I've used it a lot. I really like this brand. So it's specializing in audio that you need, wires, etc. Visible. So I've used as well in my videos, and yeah, they have a lot of high-phone. Looks kind of retro. What would I call it? Soul Talks. These tripods are pretty sturdy.
Oh wow, they got a lot of lights here. Beautiful lights if you know, doing a movie or on set or something. Be great for a huge film.
The lighting is fire.
Okay. She want to do herself. I'm talking about me. The lighting is good in here. Mm-hmm.
Should we take the thumbnail here?
Yeah. That's mine. Yeah, if you want lights for anything, especially if you have like a big production, if you're doing, you know, a big YouTube video or even a podcast or a movie, you know, this would be great. This shop also has lights, STK Photo Supply. Got some clothes for sale, just in case you like lost your shirt today.
They also have brand names like Big Camera.
Big Camera.
Big Camera they have in all the malls, really.
As you can see, they got the little fly cameras. And then they also got these little cameras right here. See, this is 21,000 baht. This one, 37,000 baht. Oh. Is this the same thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I guess they do. 22,000 baht, basically. It comes with the bag. It's this.
Everything in
yeah,
this
all
picture.
this right here, yeah.
Okay.
And it's the camera that we're using right now. So if you like the quality of this camera, this is exactly what you'll be getting. If you get the creator combo, you will get all these things included. So a bag, a stand, got the mic. I can't see what else. The cord.
Yeah, it's a magnet to attach the mic.
A magnet to attach the mic. Yeah. Extra battery stick. What is that?
That's the case.
Oh, the case.
Yeah, but that's also included in the normal package.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it in your budget?
It is in my budget. I don't know if I want to pay for it now, but it's in my budget though.
Drop that cash app.
Yeah, yeah. Cash at me, you all, and I'll probably get it. They got some nice cameras right here too. Insta 360.
I actually, when I bought this one, I was looking at this one and also this camera.
Okay. What made you choose the Osmo?
I just really love how smooth it is. Like, the picture is very crisp. I love how you can flip the camera and it's very responsive. I love how like discreet it is. Also, it was trending. Like, it's the hottest camera of 2025, 2024, probably 2023 too.
See, people always getting what's trending. Not what they want, but they want to say, "Oh, what's trending? I'm getting this." It could be out your budget. You still gonna get it.
It was for Christmas though.
Oh, okay.
But I don't regret it. I really love it. So if you're looking for a really good vlogging camera, I definitely recommend this one. It's really easy to use as well.
Yeah, it's actually really beautiful. I'm looking at it now and been looking at it, and it's just really good. Great picture. You can see all the details, even the finer details. My messed up beard. But
So
you can see a lot of good details.
action gear, backpack, biking mount, diving, accessories, stuff, and all your parts. Magnetic headband.
Wow. So now you can get your passport photo or ID photo. So if you happen to want to get your passport photo or something for your visa, you can just get it here at Big Camera if you wanted to. Hey everybody, so I just wanted to let you know that here you can go ahead and get like a headshots or get like photos that you need for, you know, your visa or anything here at Zoom Camera. But you can also get your rental cameras and stuff from Snapshot, or you can exchange your camera for a different camera from Cameras Exchange. So if you ever just wanted to upgrade your camera or something, you could go to Cameras Exchange, and depending on the shutter and everything or the condition of your camera, you can get a better camera. They got Nintendo Switches, baby. PlayStation Portal, PlayStation 5 controllers. Woo! I gotta see how much these Nintendo Switches. Oh my God, let me go ask. How much are your Nintendo Switches? So 17,800 baht. So yeah, 17,800 baht. I think that's right around the same prices in the United States. So I don't even think it's even cheaper here, to be honest. Maybe because they import it from, you know, the States or something like that. But yeah, it's not much cheaper than, you know, you think. People think everything in Thailand is cheaper. Everything isn't cheaper, you know. So they also have a lot of music records. Probably found a lot of Thai music, but probably found a lot of like American music if you into any of that. A lot of old little CD players. I don't even know who has a CD player, but you know. They got vinyls back there. I don't like vinyls. But guess who they got? The Jackson 5, baby. Yeah. A, B, C. Easy as 1, 2, 3. A. Oh. Yeah, they got a little Michael in here. Oh. I wonder who else they got. They probably got some Luther Vandross, some Temptations. Yeah. Okay.
A lot of the shops as well, they sell like similar stuff, you know, like your chargers, your little gadgets. Sawadee-ka. Your phone stand, your gadgets, your little bits and bobs here. Power banks, earphones, chargers. So you can get a second-hand MacBook for this price, and this price. You have to pay a deposit and then you pay the rental fee per day.
Oh, okay.
So pocket 3 standard, 10,000 baht deposit, and 500 baht per day. For the create a combo, 12,000 baht deposit and 600 baht per day.
So they have tripods you can rent out, microphones you can rent.
Lights too.
So they have GoPros, Insta360s, depending on which one you want. A lot of cameras, lights.
All the major brands they have here. I can understand. So this is the end of the second floor where the Lotus is. So we're going to head upstairs to see what else they have. Banana is everywhere. They have multiple banana stores in this mall. It's a very popular shop for all your electronics, gadgets and things like that. Laptops, phone stuff, power banks, etc, etc. Are you a rock star? So they have a lot of vinyl record shops here. If you're into that kind of thing, this is where all the record shops, music, CDs, vinyl, guitars, acoustic. Oh my God, look at this one. I think I want to be a rock star.
I didn't even know she was a photographer. She's out here getting backdrops. Okay, Miss Photographer. Okay, guys, look at her stuff. She's a photographer. That's right. Yeah, all these is crazy. Book her for everything. Weddings, receptions, dating stuff. It don't matter.
Calm down.
No.
So we just got done on the 3rd floor. We're gonna head to the 4th floor, and there's a food court.
How much are your PlayStation 5s? Yes. Okay. Slim Pro. Okay, what about your Nintendo Switches?
Nintendo Switch is OLED promotion yet. This is a Switch 2
Okay.
19800 with the temper card with the back. Total this one.
Okay.
This one. Official.
I guess this is the unofficial. How much is the unofficial?
Unofficial. I guess, let me guess. Maybe cheaper 1,000 baht.
So the unofficial one is cheaper. It's 1,000 baht cheaper, and it's because of a warranty. So if you get it from Thailand, you would get a warranty. But if you get it, from the United States or if they import it, it will be just 1,000 baht cheaper, but you won't get a warranty. So that's what the unofficial one means.
Okay, so we're gonna get some
Thai food? Yeah.
ahan Thai.
Favorite food?
Hiu ma.
Hiu ma.
Do you know what that means?
Hungry?
Yes.
Oh, come on
Very
now.
hungry.
Very hungry.
Yeah. Hiu ma.
Hiu mak.
Yeah. Hiu ma.
Hiu maka.
Crap.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can say crap or you can say cap.
Ka.
Yeah. So you can say
Hiu maka.
yes. What's your favorite Thai food?
The thing is, I'm vegan, so
Okay, is this the place?
I think it is.
Okay. Oh, this is the
Yeah.
I really
I can't eat in here.
No?
No, I'm vegan.
You need some vegan food. Okay, not today, ka. Kapun ka. We have reached the Holy Lands. So let's find something for you first. Okay. มีปลาไหมคะปลา Guy chicken Oh, here he is. Did you find something? Oh, you look so sad.
Thank you guys for checking out the video. So we managed to get something to drink, but we didn't get no food. But we had an amazing interview. If you want to check out the interview, go check out Frankie's page. Link will be down in the description below. But thank you guys for checking out my content. Subscribe to her channel. Live, laugh, learn, listen, and always love everybody. Don't do it to them. Fizzle. And I hope you guys have a good one, y'all. Peace.